Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Microsoft Edge Eagle Bring Chat not working error E010007. Let's fix it guys. Go to browser Microsoft Edge and go to settings. Go to privacy sets and services and here scroll down guys and clear browsing data. Clear browsing data now. Choose what you want to clear. Clear browsing history and website cache image files. Clear now guys. Now it's still not working guys. Go to another. I recommend to do about Microsoft Edge and wait a bit. Microsoft Edge is up to date guys. You need to update this. I am already updated. Microsoft Edge is up to date. Now you want to next thing you want to go is reset setting. Reset setting to their default values. Click on it. This will reset your startup page and you tab page, search engine and pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites history and saved password will not cleared. Yes, that we want it. Reset it. That's it guys. Hope you guys tutorial work for you. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you.